We'll guide you through how to use Calendly Premium effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll notice that the premium version offers quite a few extra features to make your scheduling more efficient. One of the main benefits is the ability to create multiple event types. To do this, click on the new event type button on your dashboard. You can select from different types like one-on-one, group, or collective events. Choose the one that suits your needs, and then you'll be asked to set up the basic details like name, location, and description. After that, you can customize your availability. This is where you can set specific times when you're available for meetings and even create buffers between appointments. Next, scroll down to the invitee questions section where you can add custom questions that attendees need to answer when they book a time slot. This can be really useful for gathering information beforehand. Then head over to the notifications and cancellation policy section here. You can configure email reminders to be sent to both you and your attendees, helping everyone stay on track. You can also set up your cancellation and rescheduling policy to ensure your schedule isn't disrupted unexpectedly. One standout feature of Calendly Premium is the integrations. You can sync your calendar with Google Outlook or any other supported platforms by going to the Integrations tab. This ensures that your calendar is always up to date, preventing double bookings. Lastly, don't forget to set up your payment options if you need to charge for appointments. You can connect PayPal or Stripe to make this process seamless. And there you have it. That's how you can leverage Calendly Premium to streamline your scheduling process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.